Hi everyone! Here is a recipe that your kids will surely love. Watch till the end.
Hello everyone! Today, my siblings will prepare a very nutritious meal, and I'm going to help them. First of all, you need to wash your hands properly before touching any food or utensils. In this video, we prepare apples, oranges, carrots, lettuce, cucumber, and bananas. Wash all the fruits and vegetables and place it in separate bowls. Cut all the fruits and vegetables in any shape you like. To do this, we will be using the knife and scissors. Remember to ask an adult member of the family to guide you in this activity. After all is cut into pieces, mix them together in a mixing bowl. You can choose to add another fruits like blueberries and corn kernels. Add a little bit of lemon juice and mix it thoroughly. We added some chia seeds and a variety of nuts to make it more nutritious. Ta-da! Vegetable fruit salad! Don't forget to pray before meals! Happy eating!
Tita Mary's, and we put a lot of nuts, Pa, and it is so good, and we almost finished it, Pa. But no grapes. My favorites. But no grapes. My favorites.